Sons of Guns.
I think you're having entirely too much fun with this day.
You used to get paid to do it. I didn't know you were going to be here. How you doing? Good. Nice shooting, Tux.
They falling out of a helicopter look graceful, man. I'll give you that.
Everything work okay? Oh, yeah. After the stress test, I knew I could drop the muzzle in the sand, and usually that's a big no-no, but I went ahead and did it because I knew it would shoot, and then, man, dang, the trigger job y'all did on this thing was awesome.
How'd you like the camera?
Oh, the cam did great. You can tell I don't have Air Pro in. Works perfect. I might actually know how to do this stuff.
That's my team.
Hey, thanks. Oh, that was awesome.
Fleming told me you were coming out of that bird one way or the other. Glad it worked out with your feet going out first.
I'm ready to get this thing rolling. What's next?
Next setup you got to run into, they're guarding that communications center over there. You're going to have to get rid of them before you can move in. Target's a good 200 yards out. You're going to need to hit something about 2.5 inches across. Okay, it's a mark. Once you get that glass up, you'll spot it on the side.
I don't think making this 10-inch into a sniper rifle is going to be a problem.
Inside the house, well, we're just going to call him the man with the red face. That marks your primary target. You're going to have to take out sentries on your way there. You're going to have to blow the door open to get into it. Once you make it inside, you're going to have to move fast, but watch your targets. Some of them are legitimate targets. Some of them are just going to be non-combatants. All right? Like I say, though, your primary, he's hiding behind a red mask. Do something spectacular with him.
I'll get down there and be selective with my targets and bring the red head out.
All right.
Target secure.
He's clear. Come on.